a little issue we've been having for a long time. I'm going to show y'all if I don't get wet. All right, see that? It's leaking right there on that thread. So I'm gonna fix it. Now I don't know why. Look, all it takes is a little crescent wrench. If you're concerned about, which I'm not, or if you're concerned about scratching this, then you can always get a rag and cover it. Look, all you do, and see this here. I know when they build houses, um, sometimes you don't get the best quality of work. But look at this. Watch me drop that. Oh. Oh, it's wet. Oh my goodness, look at that dirt. So while you got it off, we're going to clean it. But here, let's just do that real quick. I didn't even think about cleaning it, but that's a good idea. Let's see if I can put this in my, where am I at? There. Where am I at? There we go. Oh my goodness. Probably need to get a flathead screwdriver. Get that out. All right. Hold on. All right. So here's what we're going to do. I got a little, I might have to get an actual knife. Doing this through a camera is hard. Let's see if I can just unscrew it. Hold on. Can you see that? All right. I need something sharper. I'm end up tearing it up. There we go. I didn't tear it up. Came close. Came close. All right. We'll clean this out. Unbelievable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it under the faucet and backwash it. Be right back. All right. Look at that. Nice and clean. It's just water drops on there. Making little bubbles. All right. So, what you do is you put it back in there the best you can. Probably need to clean this out too. There's dirt down in there. Oh yeah. I don't know. Where do you get that out? It's stuck. There it goes. Got all the dirt out, I think. More dirt. All right. Looks good. All right. Let's go back in. Let's see. Put the screen back in. Make sure it's in there good and tight. Okay. It's amazing how much they restrict flow. I guess it needs to be in there. If it wasn't in there, it would be not be good. What? There we are. Oh my goodness. Say, oh no. That's hilarious. All right. Look. Well, pipe dope. This is what they need to put on there. And for people who've never been in plumbing, there's a specific way you put this on. Okay? And you have to go counterclockwise of the way that you're going to screw it in. Okay? I'd like to put some pipe dope on it as well. Real plumbers will put this pipe Teflon tape on it and then put a little bit of pipe dope on it. I don't have any pipe dope. I don't know if you can even see me or not. Nope. So look, screws on this way. Okay, so I want to wrap it that way. If that makes sense. I don't know if it makes sense or not. But that's the way it goes. That's the way it goes. That's the way it goes. That's the way. So it goes this way. I think I'm putting it on right. Find out. That's the way it goes. 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 Find out. Don't leak. It's all right. Counterclockwise to the way you screwed it in. All right. Then put this back on. Cinch it down. Don't have to be super tight. All right. So what happens here? Oh my goodness. All right. I don't know. See, that's the way it should look. You don't have to put that much on if you don't want that to be exposed to where people can see it. And it's, you know, a high dollar bathroom in a high dollar house. You can put a little bit on and then put pipe dope on and then put the Teflon tape on, put the pipe dope on, but you don't have to go as far up. You can stop right there. So my dog is barking. I don't have to go there. See, look. No more leak. No more leak. Pumped up about that. All right. Done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey, Macho Man Randy Savage didn't come out. I'm happy about that. Let me go get the dog.